Hey class, Mr. Callahan here. Welcome to Web Development Quarter 3, Week 1. I'll be your instructor for the remainder of the course, and web development will be using a specialized language called HTML5. It's just the 5th version of the programming language, so there were 4 previous versions. We're going to use the 5th. Live class time, 12:30 to 1 o'clock on Thursdays, every Thursday. This is kind of a self-guided course, so you're not going to see weekly assignments. All right, if you take a look down here, we're going to start with pre-assessment, and then we're going to go into some web developments, World Wide Web timeline. We're going to do some of the history of web pages, how they're set up, and things of that nature. But you can basically proceed at your own pace. I want you to finish, obviously, by the end of the quarter. We are going to have live classes, all right? Each live class, I'm going to cover a different topic that has to do with the current section that we're working on. But you can work ahead if you want. So let's move ahead. The continuing section folder, we'll work on these exercises. All right. I'll introduce you to the HTML editor, and that's how you get where you're going to write your program. I'm working on a midterm assessment. All right, so that about halfway through, I want you to take the test. It's actually for my purposes, so we're going to take a SLO test in the beginning, an SLO test in the middle, and an SLO test at the end. And then you can see that these are worth some pretty big points. So they're going to take you some time, all right, and you're going to work on them at your own pace. So that's the continue folder. And the finish folder, obviously, you can see these. We're going to get into some more in-depth attributes and headings, paragraph styles and formats, quotes, comments, and colors. And then we're going to work on some hyperlinks and inserting images into an HTML document, tables and lists. And then the layout is going to be, I think, kind of like a final project. That's 300 points. And then there's that SLO post assessment. All right, so we're going to do 3 separate assessments. You're all going to get 100% on them. Okay, so just try your best. And one more time, my name is Mr. Callahan. You can call me Mr. C. My drop-in center hours are Tuesdays and Thursdays from 11 to 12. And again, live class time is 12:30 to 1. If you need me, please message me, Schoology message, text me, email me, any way you want to get in contact with me. The best time to get a hold of me is sometime between 7 a.m. and 12 noon. All right, so look me up and hopefully we'll have a great term. Thanks so much.